Follow these steps to replace your power supply in your machine's power box. The power supply powers the LED lights around the door that help show off products to customers. This power supply also powers the evaporator fan in refrigerated machines. Replacing your power supply can help solve your refrigeration unit grill frosting and your LED lights not working. When beginning this process, make sure your machine is turned off. We recommend using a 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the 4 screws securing the power box, or using a Phillips screwdriver. After the machine is turned off, remove the 4 screws here that are holding the power box in place. Depending on the model of the machine, you may have to remove the screws at an angle after opening the door completely. Take out the power box. We suggest taking a picture of the wiring before unplugging the old power supply so you will know how to connect the new one. Remove this white connection and black connection. Now you can pull the power supply from this metal casing. You can also remove these 2 screws to get at the power supply as well. Now remove the power supply connections and replace them with the new power supply. The wire colors may be different, but the connections will still work. Plug in the black connector to the power supply before replacing these connections. Connect black to black and white to white. It may be helpful to use needle nose pliers when disconnecting wires. Place the new power supply into the metal casing and put the power box back into the machine. Secure it in place with the 4 screws removed earlier. Don't forget to plug in this connection up at the top of the power box. Now you can turn your machine back on.